My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the browser scam that is related to the website Demonus.click. Demonus.click is a malicious website which attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. Demonus.click tries to make you scared about the condition of your computer in order to make you download and install certain potentially unwanted applications into your computer. Demonus.click claim to be related to the well-known security program, but in reality they are not related to that program. You should not trust any of such deceptive and fake alerts by the site Demonus.click. As I have said before, all these pop-ups try to make you frustrated about the situation with your computer, and then they try to make you download and install certain potentially unwanted software. Be very careful, don't tolerate these pop-ups, don't interact with them, don't install anything that these pop-ups ever tell you. Such pop-ups, by the way, may be the trace of some adware to be enabled in your Mac. Check your Mac applications through Finder and remove any programs which might be suspicious. If you find them, get rid of them. But very often it happens that visually the computer is free of threats, but still it may be also contaminated by some other malware. I recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and start checking your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.